At first glance, this looks like nothing more than agricultural waste, but what you're about to see will. Every banana harvest leaves behind huge amounts of unused plant material. Yet inside them is a strong, natural textile fiber. Instead of wasting it, this material is now recycled. The process begins inside a fully modern textile factory. Each truckload is checked before entering production. Machines and workers prepare the waste for transformation. At this point, waste officially becomes raw material. And this is how the journey to women's underwear begins. The fibers are dried slowly to remove excess moisture. Controlled heat keeps the fibers strong. Smart sensors monitor temperature and humidity. Next, the fibers are softened for comfort. This step prepares them for skin contact. Clean air systems protect the material. Workers inspect the fibers by hand. Lasers check thickness and quality. Only approved fibers move forward. Now, the fibers are ready for spinning. These fibers are now spun into fine, continuous yarn. Each strand is twisted with exact, controlled tension. Digital systems keep the yarn perfectly consistent. The yarn is blended to improve comfort and stretch. High-speed reels wind the yarn smoothly. The finished yarn feels soft, durable, and breathable. Stress testing simulates daily wear and repeated stretching. Technicians closely inspect every yarn spool for defects. Only approved yarn is sealed and digitally labeled. The yarn now enters knitting machines to form breathable fabric. Thousands of needles work together to shape each loop. Seamless fabric is produced continuously without interruption. Digital controls adjust stretch, density, and fabric structure. The fabric is gently stretched to test softness and flexibility. Automated scanners detect even the smallest defects. Finished fabric is rolled with perfect edge alignment. Workers perform final checks for comfort and quality. Approved fabric rolls are stacked using robotic systems. The fabric is stored under controlled temperature and humidity. Laser cutters shape the fabric with extreme precision. Clean edges are created instantly without fraying. Digital design files guide every single cut. Fabric panels are sorted by size and style. Sewing machines assemble the underwear step by step. Flatlock stitching improves comfort and durability. Elastic waistbands are attached smoothly and evenly. Each garment is checked for stitching accuracy. Finished pieces move through overhead conveyors. At this stage, the underwear is fully shaped and ready for testing. Each piece now goes through repeated stretch and recovery tests. This ensures the fabric keeps its shape during daily use. Breathability tests confirm proper airflow and comfort. This step checks how the fabric feels against human skin. Even the smallest stitching details are closely inspected. The garments are then sterilized to meet hygiene standards. UV light and steam remove bacteria and impurities. Trained inspectors perform one final manual check. Approved pieces are folded without direct handling. Only certified products are cleared for packaging. The finished underwear now moves to eco-friendly packaging. Biodegradable materials replace traditional plastic packaging. Each pack is sealed using low-impact technology. Sustainable branding is applied with eco-friendly inks. Every package is scanned for traceability and accuracy. Robots pack the products into recycled shipping boxes. Orders are organized inside the dispatch warehouse. Shipping labels prepare each order for global delivery. The products are loaded for international transport. These garments are now ready to reach customers worldwide. What started as waste has now become a wearable product. Here, waste and luxury stand side by side. The fabric is soft, breathable, and built to last. This entire process reduces waste on an industrial scale. And the cycle begins again. This factory proves that sustainability can work at a global scale. Here, waste is not the end, it's the beginning.